Welcome to Used Tools. I've been using this barbecue every week for 6 years. Now I think it's time for a review. Now I hardly ever use the oven in my kitchen. I'm always using the barbecue all year round, winter, summer, fall, spring, rain, shine, light, dark, doesn't matter. I'm barbecuing. Now I can't say that I take good care of this barbecue. It's outside every day, out in the sun, out in the rain. I just keep it on the deck. I don't put a cover on it. And as you can see, it's still in great condition. The stainless steel is still nice and shiny. The paint on the lid is still in perfect condition. Even the few plastic parts like this handle are still in great condition. It starts every time, all the time, and I cannot complain about it. So this is a pretty basic barbecue. It's got 2 burners, each with their own gas control knob, a lighter switch, and a temperature gauge. And that's about it. Now as I'm cooking up these ribs here, I'll show you the few features inside the barbecue. Now there is a small warming rack that goes along here. I really don't use it that much. I tend to use my own custom racks here and there, like this one that I use to elevate the ribs up off the burner so they can cook nice and slow. And these are nice quality cast iron grates. I've had no problems with them whatsoever. Once they get some grease on there, it's kind of no stick. Now inside the barbecue we have 3 grates. There's a center one here. There's actually a metal pan that comes with the barbecue that sits nicely in here for roasting vegetables and stuff. And then these side grates come off. And here's my little metal case that I put twigs in for smoking. Now these heat shields here are about the only thing that's going to deteriorate over time that you'll have to periodically replace. And you can see over time they just kind of corrode with the heat and the grease coming down, and they get full of holes. This one's going to have to be replaced. The center one's going to go a little slower because there's no burner under there. And then this one here on that side is going to have to be replaced as well. And here you can see the burners. They're still in really good condition. I think they're probably made of stainless steel or something, so they're not going to corrode like those heat shields are. And you will find that grease and crud builds up in the bottom of this, so it's a good idea to periodically scrape the sides down. This center pan comes out, so all of the scrapings are just going to come out with that, and you can easily dispose of it. A nice feature of this barbecue is these wings fold down for easy storage. Under here, this grate comes off and you got storage for your tank. There's a little gauge right here that kind of gives you a general indication of how full your tank is. That just kind of moves up and down according to the weight of the tank. And you got a grease trap right here, and this clean out pan here which funnels any grease into the trap and also catches any crumbs and burnt pieces. And that just hangs on there like that. So in conclusion, this is an excellent quality barbecue. I think all Weber barbecues probably are. This Spirit model is no exception, even though it is one of their base models. I get year-round use out of it. It's outside all year round, no cover, and I've never had any problems with it. At the highest temperature I can get it up to about 500 degrees, and on the low end I can get it below 200 for slow cooking and smoking. So I highly recommend this barbecue. If you're looking for new barbecue, check these ones out. You probably won't regret buying one. Until next time, check you later. Cheers.